That pop? That's a $200 paperweight. Most waterproof speakers survive a splash, but what about a 10-foot plunge into a chlorinated pool? What about salt water, sand, and being frozen in a cooler? I didn't just spill water on these, I subjected them to aquatic torture. And the results were shocking. 5 speakers didn't just survive, they thrived. One of them is designed to be used completely submerged. Let's dive in. Starting at number 1. JBL Flip 6. Best overall. The JBL Flip 6 is a compact waterproof party speaker that sounds and looks great on the go or at home. The JBL Flip 6, which our reviewer loved, is a great portable Bluetooth speaker for any listening experience, dry or wet. With a durable build, rubberized onboard controls, and an IP67, this model is protected from more than just water. It's protected against dust and drops, so you can feel confident taking it on any outdoor adventure. The Flip 6 has dual passive radiators, a separate tweeter, a purported frequency response range of 63 Hz, 20 kHz, and a max volume of around 87 dB, so you'll be satisfied with the overall sound quality. Plus, you can customize your audio using the graphic EQ on the JBL Portable app, available for both iOS and Android systems. This app also lets you connect your Flip 6 to another compatible JBL speaker with Party Boost mode, increasing volume, creating a stereo pair, and widening coverage during larger gatherings. This model can only connect wirelessly via Bluetooth 5.1, however, it doesn't have an AUX, USB, or any other wired input. Number 2. UE Wonderboom 4. Best portable. The UE Wonderboom 4 has continued to top our charts when it comes to portable, affordable, waterproof sound. The Wonderboom 4 is one of our favorite shower speakers thanks to its compact, ultra-portable design, and the new speaker is an excellent choice for anyone interested in upgrading to waterproof audio gear. It inherits a lot of great features from previous generations of the speaker, including 360-degree sound, 14-hour battery life, peak volume of 87 dB, decibels, and a body made partially from recycled materials. Most critically, it maintains the Wonderboom 3's IP67 durability rating, which means it can be completely submerged underwater without being damaged. At peak volume, the Wonderboom 4 can blanket the area around a full-sized pool and great-sounding audio, even when you don't enable its dedicated outdoor mode by pushing a button on its underside. It filled a mid-sized indoor room in our tests without pushing the speaker above 80% of its maximum volume. Other onboard controls will allow you to play, pause, and skip tracks without touching your phone, and we're especially fond of its huge volume up and down buttons, which are easy to press. Number 3. Bang & Olufsen Beosound A1, 2nd Gen. Best premium shower speaker. The Beosound A1 is a well-constructed, portable, waterproof speaker from high-end brand Bang & Olufsen. It's sleek and compact with a looped handle, perfect for hanging on a shower head or resting atop a caddy. While just about any of these speakers could support shower karaoke, the Beosound A1, 2nd Gen, has impeccable features and superb design. It measures approximately 5 by 5 inches with a flat bottom and features a looped candle so it can safely rest on a soap dish or hang from your shower head. Bang & Olufsen produces high-end audiophile favorites, so while this speaker is pricey, you're guaranteed to get great sound from your purchase. When tested, the 360-degree driver and aptX adaptive codec produce a wide soundstage and improve performance with an accurate frequency response between 63 Hz and 13.5 kHz. Audio is adjustable using the Beosonic app sound customization feature and 5 EQ presets. Number 4. House of Marley Get Together 2. Best sustainable. House of Marley's Get Together 2 is a mid-sized waterproof Bluetooth speaker whose signature feature is that sustainable materials are used to make it. The speaker is made of bamboo, recycled plastic bottles, and recycled aluminum, and it comes in totally recyclable packaging. Not every material used for the Get Together 2 is environmentally friendly, but it's far more sustainable than the other speakers we recommend. As for its audio hardware, House of Marley designed the Get Together 2 with a 4-driver system comprised of 2 woofers and a pair of tweeters, powered by a 40-watt amplifier. Its sound, while clear and loud, is a little bottom-heavy even on the signature sound EQ setting. It's not that treble or mid-range frequencies are squished, there are still a lot of details in vocals and drums, it's just that bass is a lot more prominent. You can switch between 3 EQ modes, signature, bass boost, acoustic, by pressing a button on the back of the speaker, though we'd have liked to see more fine-grained controls available. Number 5. Sony SRS-XG300. Best for Android. Sony's SRS-XG300 is the only waterproof Bluetooth speaker we found that supports the high-resolution LDAC codec. Sony has never shied away from making high-end audio hardware, and the SRS-XG300 is its latest premium portable Bluetooth speaker, a waterproof one to boot. After years of refining internal components, Sony gave its portable speakers a much-needed top-to-bottom redesign. The SRS-XG300 is a lot sleeker, with a mesh covering pleasing to the eye and a handle that makes the relatively big speaker easier to carry. Indeed, carrying it from room to room or from the car to the beach never felt like a chore. Sony's focus on building speakers with lights continues here, but they're no longer a main focal point. LED rings surround the drivers on both sides of the speaker, but they never look garish, plus you can turn them off at the push of a button. The SRS-XG300 is larger than most of our Bluetooth speaker recommendations, but the extra space has many big benefits. This speaker lasts up to 25 hours per charge while delivering far better sound than smaller speakers. This was the best-sounding portable Bluetooth speaker I tested this year, with refined-sounding lows, mids, and treble without distortion at high volumes. So there you have it, your soundtrack for any element. From pool party king to shower vocalist, one of these 5 is your bulletproof choice. To make a splash at your next outing, every unsinkable speaker, the float accessory, and that game-changing cleaning spray are linked for you in the video description below. If this review saved your summer and your speaker, do us a solid, make a wave by hitting like, share this with your beach crew, and subscribe. Because next week, we're testing the limits. We're taking the number 1 pick into a whitewater rafting disaster. You have to see if it survives. Until then, don't just get wet, get loud.